After 14 years in the cleaning game, I'm still perfectly fine to tell you that I don't like cleaning the bathroom. It has not grown on me. But I have found some ways to master doing the job, some secrets. So in this video, I'm gonna share some of those bathroom cleaning secrets with you, those little time savers that make a big difference in a small space. Whenever I watch people brush their teeth in movies or on TV, I'm like, no, you're not doing it properly. Your dentist would scream at you because when you're brushing your teeth, it's supposed to be foamy. And if you're looking straight at the mirror at your gorgeous morning face, you're getting toothpaste all over it. So the tip here is to look down into the sink while you're brushing your teeth. That way all the splatters go there instead. You are going to push the bowl water down the chute to expose more of the bowl for a more thorough clean. The way that you do this, you're kind of like shoving all that water down the chute a la sword fighting. You'll see that the bowl is now exposed. You can spray or treat that area with whatever product you're using and then scrub it and flush it. It'll fill back up to its regular level, but you will get a much more effective and efficient toilet bowl clean that way. I've been talking about this for years, but I do realize there are about 8 billion people on this planet that I have to convince. When you use a product on a surface that's dirty, spray that surface first and let the product sit for 5, 7, 10 minutes or so before you go back to clean it. That's called pre-treating or marinating in barbecue terms. And what it does is it allows the product to do the work it's designed to do. It actually saves you from having to work as hard. So let the product do the thing by pre-treating your surface first. The bathroom, at least in my house, is no fun place to be after I've styled my hair. And that's why when you go to clean the floors in your bathroom, always vacuum or sweep first or wipe it out by hand before you go and mop. Otherwise, you'll just be pushing a wet mop with a big old disgusting pile of hair underneath it. You never get good results by just mopping the bathroom floor. You've always got to dry treat it or clean it first and then mop it second. There is no harder and more willing worker than a child looking to earn some extra allowance. I know this because I was essentially employed by my parents to clean the house every weekend for a tidy sum of money, at least to my 11 or 12-year-old brain. And you know what? That money was an excellent motivator. So if the bathroom is a real sore spot for you, put some money on the table for your kids. If you're a family and they've got their own bathroom or you all share one, this is a great way to teach them how to clean and let them earn some money while they're at it. You shouldn't have to suffer in your shower looking at dirty grout lines. There's a quick and easy way to fix it. You make a paste, 2 parts baking soda, 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Apply that to your discolored grout and then scrub it off with a cleaning toothbrush about 10 or 15 minutes later and rinse it clean. Between the baking soda and the hydrogen peroxide, it whitens and brightens your grout lines so it will look much better with just a little bit of effort. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about hydrogen peroxide or baking soda, we actually just have 2 videos that came out about both topics, so I'll link those for you down below. If you've ever been one to complain about mold or mildew in your shower or that pink stuff growing on your shower curtains or in your toilet bowl, it is a surefire sign that there's too much moisture in your bathroom. And this is a great time for me to remind you that your bathroom fan has to go on before you shower, during your shower, and for at least 30 minutes after your shower, if not 60. You want your bathroom to feel bone dry. If it feels like you've just gotten to a tropical destination an hour after you've showered in your bathroom, there's far too much moisture in there. So turn that fan on. If you don't have a fan, open that window and let the bathroom air out entirely. The humidity in here should feel like the humidity in the rest of your house. Otherwise, you're gonna see all of that mold and mildew start to bubble up. Trays aren't just cute things from design blogs. They're actually really useful in a space like the bathroom because they allow you to corral all of your products into one little area. Before I used a tray, my stuff was just all over the place, all over the time. I struggle with organization and I have 1 or 2 bathroom products. So we use a tray in our master bathroom. Chad has his, I have mine, and our stuff, our little bottles and creams, they all go on the trays. When you're about to embark on a dirty or messy job in the bathroom, doing your hair, putting on makeup, shaving, anything else that you get up to in there, consider putting a towel down on the counter or on the floor, depending on the type of job that you're doing. Because just that simple act of putting a towel down first, whether it's a waffle weave on your counter or a full-blown, full-size towel on the floor, all you have to do at the end of that task is bundle up the towels and put them in the wash instead of having a mess that you will then have to clean up after. It's a huge time saver. I've spent a long time talking about using a squeegee after you shower. It's so important to do that because it removes not only moisture, but any body oils, dead skin cells, and any product that has come off your body and clung to the wall. That's just gonna make a cleaning task a lot harder for you down the line. But I haven't talked about the importance of doing that in your tub. So if you're someone who likes to have a bath, and when I have a bath, I use 1 or 2 different facial treatments and, like doing whatever I do in there. By the time I get out, there's some oily residue left behind. And if I just drain the bath and walk away, it looks disgusting. So if you're someone who likes to take a bath often and you've had this experience, you know that if you let it build up over time, it just gets this gross gray ring. The easiest and quickest way to deal with that is to give your tub a wipe after you've used it. Now I know this sounds like an extra step, but I just bring a microfiber cloth into the bathroom with me while I'm setting up all my stuff for the bath, and while it is draining, I'm standing there and I just quickly give that nasty little ring a wipe down, and my tub always looks clean. It takes so little time and saves me from a really big cleaning job later. If you just can't get enough of bathroom cleaning tips, make sure that you check out this video. It's over on the Makers Clean channel. I've got even more tips that we didn't put in this video over there, so go check it out. I'm so glad to be supporting you on your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.